Perfect. Sweet. All right. So I'm going to be streaming my look over here, checking out Gemini for the first time. Let's see if I can get a camera going on here. All right. Let's chat. I see. Perfect. Put that over here. Should be property somewhere. Maybe I can do filters. I guess there was background removal. Oh well, it doesn't matter. So, um, Gemini CLI. So going to be testing this thing out. And view doc scene transitions. Goodbye. Cool. All right. So Gemini from Google released a bit ago, but it's relatively new. So it's basically a CLI AI tool, free Google Pro accounts, credits, and then also can connect an API key. So quick start is running, installing Node, running this, and then after I run it, I'm going to get the theme, and that's where we're going to start. So what theme do I want? We'll try, oh, I can hit, oh, look at that. I can change the, ooh, antsy dark. I like that. No. Alright. Okay. Vertex AI API key in Google. Just going to do that one first. Hit allow. Then it's going to open up the Google auth, I believe. Something popped up. Okay. That popped up. So let's talk about it a bit. Gemini CLI, open source AI agent. Let's see. It's basically utilizing a terminal. It's like a competitor at the Anthropic. Code Assist, 2.5, a million tokens for context. A million tokens for context. 60 model requests per minute. 1,000 requests per day. That's quite a lot for free, which is great. Let's see. Ground prompts with Google searches built in. It can use MCP. Automate tasks. It can generate images and videos, it looks like. So that's nifty. Let's give it a shot. So sign in with that, get the free credits after the authenticate. Then I'm ready to use Gemini CLI. Now I have a project. It's like a basic PDF generator. So let's see. I'm not going to do that. Okay, here we go. Once join a project. All right. So let's just dive right into it. It's now authorized. Fantastic. So now that it's authorized, let's see. I can close this window. This account requires setting the Google Cloud project environment variable. Okay. If you have a Google Workspace, okay, I can temporarily to my environment file. the shell configuration. Okay, let me try doing it with a personal account. That might be better. So let me move that over here. Sign in here. Hit escape to exit. Okay, so I'm going to try to copy this authentication. Oh, it has me try to sign in. Okay, so I'm going to sign in. Okay, I'm going to hit sign in. I'm going to try one more time. They might both need the Google Cloud. Alright, so the new Google Cloud project. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to Google Cloud console. I'm running on a Windows. What I can do is 100% context left. I'm gonna kill this, and then I'm going to go to my project folder. So let's see, the project folder that I want to work out of is not this one. We've got a PDF generator, and then I'm gonna open up a Linux shell. Maybe I can use WSL here. Okay. So what do I have with? Okay, so I'm just gonna give myself neofetch. Okay, I'm gonna install that. While that's happening, it says I can just export a project. We're gonna call this project ID. My project ID. Okay, I have a project ID now. So while that's happening, I can prepare my project ID. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do is a project ID of mine. Like so. Okay, that should do the trick. Let's see if this CLI is gonna be able to handle it. For repeated use, I can use the environment variable file and add it in there. So that's good to know. I'm just gonna first export that, then I'm gonna type Gemini. Oh, is this not? Is that really gonna install it? Okay, I'm going to Gemini. I'm gonna try this. Maybe this will work with Snap. It never goes right. Okay, well, Gemini uses Node, so we'll see. Otherwise, it may just be better to use the API key. I'd rather not, though. It's kind of the point of all this. I guess what I can do is I'm going to open up the CLI here. What is going on? Alright. Strange. Let's try this again. Alright, so I have here a PowerShell. It's doing something. And we want to do that export. Will it even work? So export will not work here on PowerShell. Makes sense. So this is kind of like a Linux thing. This is still doing its thing. Alright, so this is the PowerShell version. Okay, so now we do. Is it not Gemini? How do we start this thing? Let's find out. Let me move chat here. So I'm at Gemini. That would be correct. Let's see if this is going to be correct. I'm going to try this again. npx. This is a little inconvenient. So here's that npx command again. Is this the right Gemini? That's definitely not the right Gemini. That is the wrong Gemini for sure. So we gotta do this again. We gotta uninstall the Snap Gemini. Let's install the npx. Maybe this will do the thing. Sudo snap remove Gemini. It's the right one there. Oh, look at that! It's already here. That was fast. Okay, so let's try this again. Okay, looks cool. Sign in. Okay, so I'm gonna Control C. How do I exit? Alright, I'm going to paste that export command now, the original one. And now, oh my god. Right, I'm gonna delete the snap. Alright. Let me see if I can double stream here. Alright, double stream mode. Checking. Okay, let's see.
It's okay if you don't stream it.
Let me move audio. Hold on. Okay, and then input audio. We use the headset. OBS stream. Okay, output. Okay, All right, so now only my audio is capturing on the stream, and it's fine. I'm getting stuff. Do I have npm? Yeah. Okay, I see the chat now. Okay, so this is the powers. This is the WSL. So this one uses the npx. Okay. And then I have the Windows one just crashing away. Okay, so if I sign in, failed to log in. This account requires setting. That's really annoying. Okay, let's figure out how to do that. This is not true. Okay, let's see. How do we set this? Okay. We'll see. How do I do this? You can temporarily set. You can repeatedly set this one. Okay. This is. Oh, this is the PowerShell. No. Here we are. Oh. Yeah, it works because it's a Linux and it's not a Windows. So, okay. Fix this repo. So before, what I would do to I was troubleshooting this thing is like, for example, it was saying that I needed to. This is just like a basic app that will generate invoices. This one is basically wanting me to install Mictex. Okay, so I can apparently need to install Mictex. Okay, let's see how. Okay, let's see. Okay, what's happening? So this is the task. Fix the repo. Pandoc is already installed. But this is a Windows. No, this is a PowerShell. One of them. Yeah, this is a PowerShell. Okay. Then the subsystem Linux is the one I closed. That makes it easier. Otherwise, it's going to be difficult. All right. So I'm not liking how it doesn't really tell me what's going on. I do like the thinking element. This is kind of like letting it do a high-level task. It's a little slow. 4 arrows. Oh, Control O for details. So confused. Oh. Google Cloud API has not been used. Okay, enable it. Oh, I have to do this thing. Okay. Gemini for Google. I have to enable Gemini in Google Cloud, and it's not working. Amazing. Let's enable it manually then. Okay. Gemini API. This is quite a bit of a setup. It's not It's not the easiest thing in the world. You want your free 1,000 requests a day, 2.5 Pro, million contexts. You gotta go through all this. I had a feeling it wasn't gonna be as straightforward. Create and continue. Okay. I have credentials now. So Gemini for Google Cloud API. Google Developers Console. Okay. Oh, I can hit up. Oh, it's glitching hard. Something's happening. Alright. What? What happened here? Strange. I think these are errors within within itself. I I just don't have permission apparently, so that's probably what it is. Cloud AI companion. We maybe have these vertex because there's rag with that. It's nice, I guess. Okay. So it's still giving it a shot. Service disabled. How is it? How is it disabled? Generative language API. I feel like this would be the correct one. Act on my quota. Access trends. Oh, it's glitching hard. It's not even using the right things. Consent screen. I don't need an app. Whoa. I thought I already enabled it. It's crazy. Gemini for Google Cloud API. Ah, what? Wait, that's two. Oh, Gemini for Google Cloud API. Okay, so they're different. That makes so much more sense. Okay, now it's crashing hard right now. I need to exit this. Powering down. Oh, it gave me a summary. The wall time, like at the wall. So I can activate it now. I still can't activate it with Gemini. So I want to try the other method, which is I'm never gonna remember that command. But if I do it like this, maybe it will be able to do it. So I'm gonna exit twice. Try the npm install like this. I like this green gradient though. It looks pretty cool. But what would be cool is if it actually worked. That's the dream there. Run the CLI or install with. Oh, I see. I didn't install it. I just ran it. Okay, now Gemini will work. And it's connected to the project. Make this repo work. Install. What's that name of that project? Mix if needed. Oh, okay. Thank God, it's actually working. Okay, so we finally got it to work. What is it doing? Always allow pip. Let's go. It's only gonna need to do that once, but whatever. What is going on right here? Oh, this is the output. Okay. All right. Now it's doing this. It's a very different experience than this. This is nice, and then I'm starting to switch over to Cursor, and Cursor actually changed the UI. Everything's up here now on the top instead of on the side. I'm not sure how I feel about that, but it's cleaner. There's more space for something. I wonder how the MCP will handle. I did see that. Okay, where pandoc, where Alexix. All right, let's see how we can set this thing to auto run immediately. That's the next thing. Probably not the smartest idea, but you know what? We'll see. Auto execute. Where's number 2? No, that's the source. Otherwise, it's gonna be. What is this? What is generate invoice? Let's go. Let's see. Always alive Python. All right, I think maybe it's like an MCP. Maybe that's all we need to do. What do I need to know? All right, deep research. It can do that, I guess. Read, modify, and generate code. Human in the loop. Prompt injection. MCP. Generate images and videos using ImageGen and Veo. Okay, that's cool. There may be something interesting there. Maybe you could do image to video. We'll see. Okay, auto execute. Auto mode. Okay, it's to auto mode. Much like Codec CLI. Additionally, OS specific sandboxes. It can automatically lock Docker. No, I just want it to go ham on the OS itself. We'll deal with it later. I just reinstall the OS. Web search ready. Nice. MCP. Boozera. App prototypes from PDFs. Node. Theme, sign in. Okay, browser authentication. Use the @ symbol to trigger file selection. Use oh, look at that. Try running Gemini directly in VS Code. Use the @ command to select the file. Oh yeah, that's actually way more useful. That is a great suggestion. So yeah, because Klein, I don't think Klein was doing it for me, and we get access to all of the plugins. Oh, maybe there's a Gemini. Code assist. I don't think this is the same thing. Let's try this again. Gemini CLI. Uses secure writing, conversation export, and persistent history. The one, there's only a few hundred people that use this. Published a few days ago. That really? Well, I mean that would actually make sense. Let's give it a shot. Excuse me. Oh, my VS Code is too old. Let me just restart it. That's good to know. Alright, so putting it in VS Code is really helpful. Good to know. Alright, let's go back to... Oh, here's Klein. We're just going to keep that closed. That guy burns money. Alright, I wonder how that would work, because technically it would be the same. Alright, let's open up that file in VS Code. Okay, and then to have GitHub Copilot. No, GitHub Copilot. No, thank you. So here's Klein. We're gonna open up. We want to open up a terminal. We'll just close this for now. Let's bring this up. Okay, so let's do that install command. Let's turn on script installs. Meet Klein, my coding partner. It's funny because there's no like button for client. It's like kind of hidden. There's like a secret shortcut I don't remember, and that's how you interact with client. And I don't think I could type client, but I can remember Gemini for sure. And it's up. Failed to log in. Oh, that's annoying. Okay. This is the PowerShell. What was it? This one. Okay, now Gemini. Wait a second. It did log in though. Maybe it's lying to me. Okay, whatever. That's gonna get real annoying, that the export thing. But I could set that for long term. Alright. Accepting edits. MikTeX. Okay. I guess I have to do this on a Windows. So I need to find MikTeX. So where's MikTeX? Let's go and download MikTeX. Okay. The MikTeX download. Getting MikTeX. So here's MikTeX. Get the Windows version. Does not work or something. A command line installer might be good. I'll take whatever installs. Nice. It just completely died. It's 2 megabytes. What happened? Wow. Alright, we'll add the what? Gotcha. Alright, forget Pandoc. Forget MikTeX. I don't need them. They don't work. We're going to find different PDF generators. So what this tool is basically, there's a website called Scribd. You can grab like template documents from all sorts of things, but instead of paying the monthly subscription, you can just upload 5 PDF documents to download one. Well, if I can just generate multiple PDF documents, the idea is I should be able to get infinite documents by uploading them all. Now, why can't we just download, upload the same one? Because they check the file hash of the same PDF document. So you're really quickly going to run out of PDFs if you're just bringing things from your system. But if it's going to be using something similar, then let me exit this. Okay, good. So these sessions aren't the same. This and the other one are different, which is good. Okay. So, alright. The only thing I don't like about Windsurf is that when I press Control L, it doesn't clear the string. It's like a minute thing. That's about it. But still. Alright. What's happening here? I'll bring this into the thing. Okay, import statements. So what's happening? Invoice generation. So let's see. We're gonna take out some stuff. Model name. is Gemma, because it's free. Alright. Accepting edits. Shift plus tab to toggle. Oh, it's auto accepting. Oh, okay, got it. That's cool. That's auto mode. Okay. I'll now run a script to do the invoice. Okay. Module object is not callable. Made a mistake. Okay, and then it's going to... Oh, and it's searching the web. Nice. That's a nice use of WebMCP to check API documentation. I might try this on Screeps, which is like a new... It's like a JavaScript learning... it's like a MMORPG. No, yeah, kind of. But you can't control your character with anything except JavaScript. It's pretty interesting. Okay, so it's downloading Markdown to PDF. Okay. Now it's installed. To generate... Okay, so all we want is this thing to work. And this is nice, actually. The problem with Windsurf is that I had to, like, tell it. I said, yes, continue. Yes. And I turned off auto mode. No, auto mode, I guess it's just broken now. Like, this is... It's sad. It's sad. OpenAI broke it. It's really unfortunate. Because of this. They have these two, which are not that great. These are okay, but the auto mode isn't there. Bring your own key. That's going to get real expensive real fast. I know from... if you have to bring your own key, then there's no difference than using this versus Klein. So might as well just use Klein. Because at least you get more extensions. Uninstalling and planning. Let's see if these invoices are being created. Acme Marketing Solutions. Nice. They're fantastic. But I need PDFs. So what I want to do... What happened? I want this in VS Code. This is going to be terrible to work with. I'm having trouble modifying the script directly. Read the file again? What do you mean, script directly? The script is this one, I believe. See, I don't think it fixed it because this one still says pandoc. Confirming the code. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move it into what is it? Shift tab. I'm gonna move it into VS Code. So Gemini. Waiting for auth. Auth is done. Great. I probably should save that command somewhere. It's really helpful. So I should set an alias or something every time I hit Gemini. It does the... I wonder, in here, is it better to do it as a... no, it's not to use WSL. It's probably better to use just like a PowerShell. Okay, I have my command. So this one is for Linux, this one is for PowerShell. Alright, let's check... if I hit modify with an external editor... Ah, here we go. Nice. VS Code. Apply to... Z. VS Code. VS Code. And now what? Did it open up VS Code? I don't understand. Let's see. overwritten it. Okay, now it's gonna run it. I guess this thing just goes until it solves the problem. What is this? Rating PDF bad hierarchy level in row 1. So this is probably the closest thing to God mode back in the day. Um, I wonder if still failing. I wonder if I can make it faster. I would appreciate it, like it being faster and not as, even if it's not perfect anyway. So I might as well speed up the failures. Wheezy print. I just want a PDF. I think I had a bad approach in the beginning with Pandoc, so it's trying to recover from it. Clearly. Which one? For Gemini? How did you add the MCP? Then I can have this thing do a Ghidra and whatnot. I'm gonna let it run. It seems like it's just auto functioning at this point. So you mentioned there's an MCP location. Oh, it's here. It says make me a slide deck showing the Git history from the last 7 days with your enterprise collaboration suite. Whoa, we could do Google Slides with this? No. let's see. With your enterprise collaboration suite. Is that correct? Let's see. Is this working yet? Working yet? That's software in a nutshell. So yeah, I'm seeing here it says something about MCP here. Yeah, I'm here. I'm here. Make a full screen. Tools. Oh, these are the tools available to it. Okay. Shell, web fetch, web search, memory. CLI usage. Google Gemini. MCP servers with the Gemini CLI. Okay. MCP client TypeScript. But how do we actually do this? In your settings JSON file? Where? Let's see. At the global level? Ah, I see. Oh, I see it. Uses command in Gemini CLI to read the page. So, do I even have that? Do I have the tilde? Is this still doing something? Let me scroll the bottom, I guess. Resolving warnings? Okay, I guess they just tell me when it works. Christ. So if I'm in a PowerShell, then what? It's tilde. Oh, we got a whole thing here. Oh, perfect. Okay, this is where we'd change it. Okay. Oh, it's done. It's done. Alright, I'm gonna close this. So, a VS Code, invoices. Do these actually show? Recommended VS Code PDF. Oh, let's see that. There we go. Oh, wow. It's not bad. It's not bad at all. It exists. It exists. Okay. All right. So, now what? How do I like spam this? Let's see. Okay. Well, that's cool that we have this. This one's, let me exit. I guess Python, and then generate invoice. Nice. Okay, invoice successfully generated. Perfect. Okay. So now I just need to modify it to ask me how many invoices do I want it to generate. Okay, great. So let's go back to Gemini. Alright, let's see how fast we can get this process going. Let's go. Wow, a million contexts per session. That's really good. Okay, so let's see how many seconds it's going to take. Reading, another 5, 6. With this context, I don't think we'll have any issues crashing out over 500 lines of code, which the other ones used to. Okay? And then importing loop. Oh, here we go. Finding the right meme. So it's got jokes. That's nice. And we're going to allow it to change it. Accepting edits. Alright. And we're going to allow it once per session. So we don't get the chat history, which is, kind of sad. But also, I mean, oh, switch from 2.5 Pro to Flash. Code Assist. What is, okay, so let's look at Code Assist. Code. This is Code Assist. Let's load it up. Please run the script from the terminal. Okay, let's try it. Let's try it again. Five invoices, let's go. It's pretty good. Now, we're gonna have one version we'll call it headless or non-interactive. Okay, so I guess it works. So let's go back here. Let's go here. So now we're using Flash. Okay, what is, oh, look at this. Sign in. Oh, man, I'm pulling all the Google tools. All of them. What? Run generator? Wait, what model do you typically find yourself using when you yeah. And then oh, because they nerfed it. I see. So 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 2.5 Pro is good, Flash is not. It's good to know. Gotcha. What do I run? Oh, generate invoice. Okay, I gotta sign in. Got to go to this one. Yeah, I can just press Control L. That's good. Oh wait, it just does it automatically. It didn't really listen to me and make a separate one, but I'm going to have it. Okay, it's done, and then it finishes the script. Delete these temps. Save. Okay. Generate invoice. Alright. Confirming script modifications. Alright, so it's reading. Generate invoice. I want it to make a new one. Reading and duplicating. Designing a new script. Okay. I just don't want it to update that one. What is this? Still reading? It's crazy. I'm less of a fan of this I can't see what it's doing kind of thing, but it is what it is. Oh. And rename them? Oh, that's pretty good. Alright, I think it's glitching out now. Designing the interface. Oh, it's making a whole on web app right now. Right? I think it's like over engineering it. Oh. Man, I don't know what it's doing. Something's wrong. It's looping. I mean, I'll let it loop for a little bit longer and then fuck it. It's done. Oh, and maybe because my account is in the States, so I need a VPN to do that. Why is it not authenticated? Okay, well that is it. It does work. So that's the first look at Gemini CLI. It's a little painful, but I'm sure I can implement this, especially with the free tier on some stuff. So pretty good.